Hello and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. I remind you that we release a new video 3 times a week. I'm continuing to work with the Dolman sleeve. I folded the fabric into 4 layers and tried to fold it stripe to stripe, but I couldn't. Because I folded the fabric in half, the halves don't match at the stripes. To fold it stripe to stripe here, I would need another length of the fabric, the same piece. But I don't want to fold the fabric stripe to stripe. I don't care if the stripes don't match. This fabric ends with this hem. When I'm finished with cutting it, I will stitch the hem. I'm going to cut. Just trim 4 layers. I'll trim the first piece and the second. As you know, I have no balance here. You will see how it fits. This is the fabric's fold. I will just trim it later. Today, I'll make the first fitting. I'm so happy that I'm making this sweater. Today I spoke with a woman who is also a fashion designer. She also remembers the time when the Dolman sleeve was fashionable. But it's bad enough that modern tailors don't know the terminology and call whatever they want a Dolman sleeve. I need to cut 4 layers. But it's difficult. I can't move it. I can only move it a little bit like this. Oh, let's try to cut it like that. I guess I can hold out a little longer. I'm just about finished. I mean finished with cutting. It takes 2 minutes. It's so soft. I want to say a few words about the fabric. From this fabric you can make dresses, flounces, ruffles, whatever you want. Look, I messed up a little bit here because I can't reach it. I need to cut this neckline. I pinned it here. I took a wider neckline, so it goes from here. To make it all fall a little bit like this. So I finished cutting. I will unfold it and we'll see what we've got. The knitted fabric is fashionable nowadays. You can even make a jumpsuit. Look how beautiful it is. So much so. It looks better on the front side. Take a look at the texture, please. It will look so rich with this luxurious texture. I fold the front side with the front side. I just need to baste those two pieces and these two pieces. That's it. Then I'm ready for fitting. I took my trousers for a fitting. I didn't say anything about how we're going to stitch the Dolman sweater. I'm not very familiar with this kind of knitted fabric at all. I mean, how to sew it. But my tailors know. I will invite them here and consult with them. In the next videos, we'll show you how to make a seam in this fabric and how to finish it better. Also, we'll show you how to finish the neckline. We will show you this process in the next videos. We're getting ready for the fitting. I don't work with knitted fabrics. I always say that, but my tailors know how to work with this fabric. The fabric is good, but it looks better from this side. I think I will be irresistible in these trousers and this sweater. But I've got black sandals. It doesn't matter. This is my neckline. The sleeve, I'll baste the second piece and then I'll go to the side seams. I will baste from here. You can't really baste from here, but I will, because it's convenient for me. I won't move it up and down on the table. The side seam. I'm taking a bit more here, so the garment won't fall from me. I think it will be fine though. I will sew it by hand on the hem. Don't cut it here. I will sew it by hand. I am finished. Let's fit it. If I don't like something right here, I'll redo the neckline, but I don't think we'll have to. This is my sweater with a Dolman sleeve. I will fit it. I think we can make this sleeve fashionable again. It's pretty, so much so. This is a Dolman sleeve, a real Dolman sleeve that has been in fashion for a long time. It's printed in books, in old magazines. It's in the Rigas Modus sets too. I still have magazines from those years. Early 80s, late 80s, early 90s. It was fashionable. So, I'm confused a little bit. Do you know why? It's because of the length. The fabric has stretched and the sweater became longer than I expected. It should have looked like this, and the Dolman sleeve should begin here. The fabric has stretched and it became longer. I just went out to my atelier and all of my tailors said it was a good length. But we'll hem it a bit. I like this straight line. It's beautiful. I want to make the sleeve a little shorter. It's too long for me. I will make it shorter by 7 centimeters, like so, because I don't like when my sleeve ends here. Never. I will narrow it a little bit here. I really like it. It's a soft, comfortable, and lightweight cotton. I'll wear it with pleasure. It's going to get a little colder in early September, and I'll go for a walk in this sweater and in the turquoise trousers. So this is the second video about the dolman sleeve. Look, it's gorgeous. I stood in front of the mirror for a long time. It doesn't make me look fat. This volume on the side looks good. Look at those pleats. I think you'll find these tutorials useful and you'll make lovely sweaters or cardigans or something else with a dolman sleeve like this for yourself. You can not only use a knitted fabric, you can use any fabric you like, but the fabric should be soft. A tight fabric is certainly not suitable for this style. It won't fall here. It's going to be hiking up there. I'll still think about the length. I like it. I haven't worn such a garment yet, as a tunic with trousers. Write your comments. It's time to say goodbye. Click the like button and share our videos in social media and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. All the best from Irina Paukshte and the rest of our team.